Today, you'll learn how to pair your Roku remote even without a pairing button, step by step. Let's do it. Method 1. Pair a Roku IR remote. Here's the easiest fix for remotes without a pairing button. IR remotes don't actually pair with a button. They simply work by pressing a button while pointing directly at your Roku TV or device. Turn on your Roku TV and switch to the correct HDMI input. Insert fresh batteries into the remote. Stand close, 2 to 3 feet, and aim the remote at the Roku unit. Press any button. Wait a few seconds. If your Roku supports IR on that model, the signal will register and you'll be controlling your TV. Method 2. Enhanced remote. If you do have an enhanced or voice remote that normally would pair via a button, but yours doesn't have one physically, there's a workaround. Put in fresh batteries. Turn on your Roku TV. Press and hold the home plus back buttons at the same time for approximately 5 seconds. Watch the little LED on your remote. It should start flashing. Keep the remote near the Roku TV and wait. The TV should detect it and pair automatically. Bonus method: use the Roku mobile app. If neither of the above works, or if your remote just won't sync, you can use the official Roku mobile app as a stand-in remote and even trigger the pairing process. Download the Roku app from the Apple App Store or Google Play. Connect your phone and Roku TV to the same Wi-Fi network. Open the app and select your Roku device. Tap Remote. You'll now see a virtual remote. Use that to navigate to Settings, then to Remotes and Devices, then to Add Device and Remote. Follow on-screen prompts to pair your physical remote. If your remote still won't pair or work, make sure you're close to the TV. IR remotes need line of sight. Try new batteries. Weak batteries often block pairing. Restart your Roku TV by unplugging it for approximately 30 seconds. If all else fails, the Roku app remote will always help you navigate menus to repair the device.